Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to talk to you about a different product. I picked this up for my wife, so this is going to be a review for more of the ladies out there. So she was wanting a makeup mirror, so I kind of was gathering around, looking through Amazon, and I came across this, and I thought it was a really good buy. So I'll kind of go over what all it is here. It's very lightweight, it's very compact, fully adjustable, as you can see. However you want to position it, it works really easily. And then this, you can just obviously twist here. So what you get with the mirror, it comes like this. I'll open it up here in a minute, and then you get a pretty straightforward, simple instructions that tells you the size and everything. So one of the cool things, and why I got this over some of the other brands out there that I liked, is you can, it has a case back here for 4 AAA batteries, or if you're close to an outlet, they have a USB plug here, so you can just power it via a cord. So, and then the base, it's nice and sturdy. They have this little recess here. You can put stuff in there. We don't really utilize that, but it's there if you need it. And then also on the back here, you can see this is the power button, how to turn on and off the lights. So, kind of give you an idea of what it looks like here. So the doors open up. You've got the main mirror itself. Then you got the side mirror. Of course, obviously these are fully adjustable. And then you have a 2 times magnification and then a 3 times magnification. So I'll turn it on here, and you can kind of see this LED light. It gives you a nice even glow. And then the button here, you can use it to turn on and off, or if you hold it, it should be able to adjust the lights. Let's see, how am I doing that here? There you go. So there it adjusts down. So, like I said, if you're in the market for a mirror, I thought was a great steal. The price was really good. It's lightweight. It's easy to transfer around, and it provided a good even light. So I don't know if you can kind of tell by looking at it here. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to share this with you. The only thing that I thought was weird, now that I'm closing it, is if you hit the button here and turn off the light, and you close it, it activates the button again. So make sure you do press when you're closed and done with it. Make sure you push the power button on the back so you don't wear out your batteries. And that's it. So, like I said, if you're new to the channel, please do hit that like button, comment below. I usually do respond, and hit subscribe to the channel. I'll include a link and more information if you want to check out other reviews and see if this is the right fit for you. And until the next one, you guys take it easy. Thanks. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.